How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. This is going to be a short video, but everything's kind of changing right now. As you can tell in the market, like we've just had a lot of excitement recently. We've had crazy run-ups in cryptos like Kakinu, like just crazy cryptos, Grok, Bonk, Snek. So many different cryptos have been just blowing up recently. And I can see what's happening behind the scenes. There's so much money flooding in to the market. A lot of it will go to meme coins, and meme coins already seem to be doing really well. Like they're here to stay. There's a lot of crypto flowing into smaller, or a lot of money flowing into smaller cryptos as well. And I want to talk more about those on the channel. Like I talk mostly about Bitcoin. That's what I think drives a lot of the market. But I will be talking about smaller cryptos. I realize that's going to piss off some people, but I'm not trying to mislead anyone. I'm going to say that they're risky. And the fact is, I know where the market's going, so I can tell that there's going to be so much money flooding into crypto, and people will flood into smaller cryptos. There's more risk, but there's also higher reward. So I just wanted to give a precursor for anyone watching the channel. I will be talking about these. Some of them have crazy names like Kakinu. We just have to get over it. In the bull run, it's not all about tokenomics. It's not all about partnerships, real world adoption. In the end, we're all here to make money. And one of the best ways to make money is to determine what people will buy and then try to buy it beforehand, which I realize is risky. But 80% of my portfolio in crypto is in Bitcoin. And then I have cash. I also have other real world assets. I have stocks. Like there's so many other things I have. I'm going to be taking some bets on smaller cryptos. I'll also be talking about smaller cryptos. One that we talked about recently, and keep in mind, I am investing a lot I am investing regularly into some smaller gaming coins. One that I talked about just a few days ago is doing so freaking well today. And this is a smaller crypto. I talked about on the channel. This is not paid or anything like that, but it's up 77%. I talked about this just a few days ago. It's up 77%. Part of it is I know when they're doing marketing. I'm careful about when I buy into cryptocurrencies, but I know what they're doing a lot of the time. Like I know that they're doing marketing, so I think that they're going to do quite well. And I can see stuff like this as an influencer. You can probably see it too. When a big influencer works with a small project, like that's probably good for them long term. If someone works with a company like that long term, it will probably continue to be seen and continue to be bought. Now, some people think, oh, that's just people pumping up the market. The fact is, all companies market. So if they don't have marketing money, that's probably a bad sign. Like there are some cryptos that don't have to market, like Solana. They're still spending money on marketing. They're still spending money on different partnerships and stuff like that. It's just how you want to spend it. So I don't see it as a bad thing. I see it as a good thing. And I've said that a couple times, but that's just how it is. Keep in mind, I don't hold Diga right now. So it's not like I'm trying to pump up some tiny crypto, but keep in mind, if I talk about a crypto that I like, that I bought, that's smaller, and it goes up, I will take profits. This is I don't want to say zero-sum game because some cryptos will do well forever and probably never be at this price again. I talked about that yesterday with Bitcoin, but like smaller cryptos will pump up, and then when we hit bear market, they will sell off, right? So that's just something that newbies always have had to face in the market. Like they always want to invest them more and more and more and invest the most at the very peak of the market, and then it dumps. They dollar cost average all the way down, and then the next cycle they actually make money. But I want to give you a heads up on that because that is something that's going to be happening a little bit more on the channel. Keep in mind, if you want to trade crypto, a different way of degenning to make money, you can check out the link to Margex underneath the video and to Blowfin, both of them. No KYC, no VPN. They'll give you bonuses when you sign up as well, deposit bonuses, and also we added a cryptocurrency recently, Caspa, to Margex, so we can add more cryptos in the future too if there's some smaller crypto that you like. Let me know your thoughts on all this underneath the video though. I love you guys. I love everyone that watches these videos. You know, I see some negative comments, but I realize that 99% of people in our comment section, 99% of people that watch these videos on the channel are super nice people. Like, I've met so many people in person recently. I went to an event recently. Everyone's so freaking nice. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Let's continue and let's blow the doors off this next bull run. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.